Hi, my name is Melanie Ho, and I'm a consultant from Professional Advantage. And today I am going to show you some of the new features in the System Manager module within Microsoft Dynamics GP 2013. In GP 2013, they have provided additional options to customize your home and area pages. On your home page, when I click on Customize this page, I still have my tick boxes to display the contents I want to. For my column layouts, I'll change it from 3 to 2 and I'll choose to stack my columns to the left. Click on OK. That will refresh my home page. I can choose to sort the order of my functional area by moving my mouse over the title of the functional area. Click, hold, drag, and release. I can choose to collapse the list of a functional area by clicking on this arrow. To expand, click on it again. To view the full list in my functional area easily, I can click on the Maximize button, and you'll notice that the rest of the functional area will stack to the left of the page. If I click on the Maximize button again, it will take me to a multi-column mode. If I go to my financial area page, and click on Customize this page, I can now choose to not display routines, utilities, and the setup functional area. The next feature is in the System Preferences window. I can now enter a password for my Word template. So when the recipient tries to change any information on the Word document, they will be requested for a password. You can tick to load to do reminders and tick to enable remember user. Next is the changes to the alternate modified forms and reports window. I'm going to call up an ID, change my product to Microsoft Dynamics, and select reports. To grant access to a modified report, you would have to expand on the folder, and that will display the list of modified reports that are available. Then, for each report, I would click on the plus sign and then tick the modified report. I would have to follow this process for each and every report. In GP 2013, there's a hide and show button, so if I click on that, that will expand the view for all my reports, and now I can simply tick the modified reports. Alternatively, if I select my drop down arrow and select Microsoft Dynamics and click the Change All button, it will automatically grant access to all the modified reports for me. This is useful if you had a whole lot of reports to grant access to. If I want to revert back to the original reports, click back on the drop down to revert to default, click Change All, and that will give me access back to the original reports. The next feature is the ability to attach documents on a master record, a transaction, or a transaction line. Before you can use this feature, you need to complete the document attachment setup. Ensure you tick the Allow Document Attachment tick box. You can specify a default location of where your files reside, and you can decide whether to delete the file from the default location after it's been attached and define a maximum file size. I will demonstrate how this works. I am going to call up a debtor ID, and on the top right hand corner you'll notice there's a paper clip. Click on that. To attach a file, click on the Attach button. and that will take you to the location that you have specified in the document attachment setup. Highlight the file. To attach a second file, click on the attach button again, and I can attach a third one. You can attach as many documents as you'd like. To preview the file, highlight the line and then click the preview button, and that will open up the document. To delete an attachment, highlight the line and then click the delete row button. You can also add a description to the files by clicking the show details button. As soon as you saved some files, it will now show a piece of paper with a paper clip. On a transaction, you'll have two paper clips. You'll have a paper clip for the whole transaction, and you'll have a paper clip for a line. Click on the paper clip. To attach a file on the line level, you first need to click into the line, then click the paper clip. The next feature gives us the ability to change the printer settings when the report is printed to screen, and I will show you how this works. I will call up the journal, print the report to screen, click on File, hit Print Setup. My default printer is the Adobe Writer. I can now just change my option to the printer. Click on OK. So when I click the print button, it will confirm that I'm printing to the printer. This applies to any report within Great Plains. The last feature that I'm going to show you is how to set up a SmartList favorite and use it as a default view in the lookup for master records. I am going to use the customer maintenance window, and in the customer ID lookup, my default view is all customers. I have a SmartList where I have restricted to the salesperson Erin. To use that as the default view, I'll click on favorites, point to my favorite called Erin customers, and that will restrict the list. To always save this view, click on the view option again and click set as default view. So the next time I click on the customer ID lookup, I will always have this view. That was some of many new features in GP 2013. If you would like to learn more about what GP 2013 has to offer, please head to our website for more information and videos. Thank you.